Yoga gains more and more popularity every year. For many, yoga is an ideal way to heal the organism, make the body more perfect, and acquire harmony with oneself and the world around. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you do yoga every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Yoga benefits. Yoga is not just a set of exercises that improves health. Yoga is a special way of life that allows you to achieve harmony in the physical and psychological state. To find new potential and hidden possibilities of the body, the essence of yoga is not limited to physical training. It is aimed at working with the human mind and includes methods of spiritual development and self-improvement. Scientific studies confirm the therapeutic effect of yoga. It has been proven that systematic yoga classes have a beneficial effect on all organs and systems. Yoga improves posture and the condition of the spine. Due to the elimination of spinal deformity and pinched nerves, pain in the back and neck disappears. Correction of posture helps to increase the lungs' capacity, improve blood circulation. In internal organs, yoga normalizes hormonal levels. Yoga classes improve the functioning of the pancreas and thyroid gland, eliminates disorders in the genital area. Yoga develops flexibility and plasticity, increases the elasticity of ligaments and tendons, relieves tension from the muscles. Yoga normalizes the functioning of the cardiovascular system. Deep breathing provides additional oxygen to the internal organs and stabilizes the heartbeat. Yoga improves immunity. Contraction and stretching of the muscles stimulate the movement of lymph in the body, which makes it easier to cope with infections, prevents the formation of cancer cells. Yoga for weight loss. Yoga burns fat and improves appearance. Yoga strengthens the muscular corset of the whole body, speeds up metabolism, improves the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract. The complex effect of yoga on the body leads to weight loss. Most yoga asanas are static exercises that involve the utmost tension of all muscles, including those located in the deep layers. Their stimulation leads to active fat burning. In addition, when exercising, the level of cortisol, the stress hormone that provokes the deposition of excess fat in the abdomen, decreases. Dynamic and power yoga classes combined with breathing techniques improve metabolism and speed up the process of losing weight, helping to fix the effect for a long time. Yoga benefits for women. For the women body, yoga is useful because it normalizes the menstrual cycle, alleviates premenstrual syndrome, menopause symptoms, relieves migraine, reduces pain and frequency of attacks, increases libido, reduces menstrual pain. Yoga benefits for men. Regular yoga also has a positive effect on men's health. Many poses stimulate the prostate, increase blood circulation in the pelvic organs, which is positively reflected in potency. Yoga stimulates the adrenal glands and testicles, increasing testosterone production. Yoga benefits for mental health. The beneficial properties of yoga for the body are not limited to this. Unlike fitness training, designed to improve the body and improve health, yoga helps to find peace of mind. Often yoga is used to treat patients with mental disorders, major depression, and insomnia. Asanas and meditation help to relax, believe in yourself, relieve feelings of anxiety, fear, and anger. Basic rules for yoga. When practicing yoga, there are several things to keep in mind. First, during practice, it is important to constantly control the breath. Breathe deeply and slowly through your nose. Inhale and exhale should be equal in time. The essence of yoga is awareness and control of the breath. Second, disconnect from extraneous thoughts. Focus on internal sensations. In case of inconvenience, pain in the joints or back, it's necessary to stop exercise. Third, don't overexert yourself. Muscles during yoga should be tense as much as it requires to keep the body in balance. Fourth, you need to train on an empty stomach. You can eat after 20 to 30 minutes. Fifth, the optimal yoga time for beginners is 20 minutes. Gradually increase its duration to 60 minutes. Duration is of secondary importance. It is important to perform the exercise with high quality and breathe correctly. Sixth, you can train every day or every other day, as far as time and desire allow. Seventh, the best time to practice is in the morning. Experienced yoga masters practice in the morning 2 hours before sunrise. But day or evening practice will bring no less benefit to the body. The regularity of classes is much more important than the time of day. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen.